Hello, it's Miss Jenifer from Somerset Academy of Music, and today we're going to be learning our second exercise from our Book 1, Group 1 technical exercises. Okay, this one is also going to be both hands in C position, just like the last exercise, and we're going to be doing skips. We'll show you the right hand first, and then we'll show you how to put them together. So the right hand is just going to be doing what we call skips or thirds. We're just going to be skipping from C to E. Then we're going to skip from E to G. Then we're going to put those two patterns together. We're going to play it the first time legato, and then we're going to repeat staccato. So let's check that out, hands together. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 staccato. 1. So just add that exercise to the one you've already learned last week. We've got exercise number 1 and number 2. Next week, we're going to learn our next technical exercise, number 3. See you then.